Victor with Stage 4 Motorsports. We finally completed our move. It's been a very hectic past weekend here. First on the block is going to be our Supra here. Fun never stops, so we got straight into it. Even with our lighting setup and everything, we're going to be struggling to get it all done here, but we're making it work and rocking and rolling.
Hey, what's up? I'm Juice, U-Wrap technician, and today we're going to be taking apart the Supra.
Nope.
Nope.
It's not a Viper.
Alright, so the reason we take off the front bumper is so that we can have a nice clean look to tuck all the wrap behind and you can't see any seams.
Alright, so I like to go ahead and set a tone whenever we start a new vehicle. One of the ways I like to do that is just do a quick, easy panel, something pretty simple like this roof here. It's pretty flat, pretty simple. We're trying to kind of decontaminate right now. Let's get everything all cleaned off, no dust and stuff. As you can see, we're in a pretty dusty environment here as we just moved into our new facility. So I want to do this several times over to make sure we don't have any dust underneath the film. We're just gonna go ahead and clean it up real quick. Clean it again, probably clean it one more time just to make sure we're good. Then we'll lay on the film, see how it all goes, and see how the film's gonna react to the rest of the car.
You look really cute today.
All right, it's delivery day. We're almost finished with the Supra. We got the rear bumper left to do. We got pretty much the rest of the car all finished up. I just got to tack everything together and get it all finished and delivered for Bella's birthday.
What's up, guys? We're at stage 4. My Supra is complete. I need the ground. There we go. I'm super pumped. I have no idea what to expect. We got little demos, but I haven't seen it with the decals on. How's it look, everyone? Is it sick? Yes. Okay. Alright, do I go?
Go ahead.
Oh my gosh. It looks just like our mock-up. Wow. Oh, that was so perfect to do it there. I'm so glad we went with that. That looks so much better. Oh my gosh, look at the sponsors in the back. That's crazy. Wow.